Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into something super useful, how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your Mac. This is a game changer for video calls, streaming, and anything else where you need a high-quality camera. First, let's get the iPhone ready. Head over to your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down to General, and tap it. Then go to AirPlay and Handoff. Make sure Continuity Camera is toggled on. This lets your Mac see your iPhone as a potential webcam. Remember, both devices need to be nearby for this to work. Now, let's jump to your Mac. Open any application that uses a webcam, like FaceTime. You'll probably notice your Mac's built-in webcam is being used. To switch to your iPhone, go to the video settings in the menu bar at the top of your screen. It might be under Video or Camera depending on the app. Find and click on the option for your iPhone camera. You'll hear a chime on your iPhone, and boom! You're now using your iPhone's camera. The quality difference is usually pretty noticeable. I highly recommend getting an iPhone mount to keep it stable. I'll put a link to a good one in the description below. Bonus tip, if you click the FaceTime icon in the menu bar, you'll find some cool settings like Studio Light and Portrait Mode that you can play around with. To disconnect your iPhone, just go back to the video settings in the menu bar and select your Mac's FaceTime HD camera again. You can also tap the big disconnect button on your iPhone screen. That's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. See you in the next video. And remember, links for that iPhone mount are in the description. This was all based on my personal experience.
Hope it works for you.